Hello, good afternoon. Now I am Rabindra Jain from Chetriam Hotel with beautiful view of Sidgon Pagoda with Dr. Sirayappa, who is a head and neck cancer surgeon from Apollo Hospital, Chennai. So welcome Dr. Ayappa in Yangon, Myanmar.
Thank you, Mr. Jain. Thank you.
Can you tell something about yourself?
Basically, I'm an ENT surgeon, but I do mostly head and neck tumor surgery and skull-base surgery. And this I have been doing for the last 30 years at the Apollo Cancer Center, Chennai. And because of the training in skull-based work, along with the help of the neurosurgeons, we were able to resect tumors which were not possible to resect earlier. And not only open surgeries, we do endoscopic skull-based surgery also. Like pituitary tumors, we remove through the nose, and lots of other surgeries at the skull base, which were able to reach through the nose. We were able to remove them without opening the face of the skull. And other aspects of what we come across in India is commonly the oral cancer, which is mainly due to the misuse of the pan masalas and betel nut chewing. And we get patients with the cancer of the tongue, cheek, and also the gums. And in fact, everybody knows the functions of the mouth and the oral cavity. There is the speech and swallowing. And so these functions get affected because of not only by the treatment but also by the tumor. So basically, we have the main main line of treatment for these oral cancer is surgery, and we have to remove the involved portion of the lower jaw or the tongue. And the recent advance is what's called the microvascular reconstruction. Not only we have to remove the tumor and make him free of the disease, but also we have to reconstruct in such a way that patient regains the functions and also the facial appearance. In this microvascular technique, we bring in tissue from other parts of the body and reconstruct the lower jaw, the tongue, and the patient is able to get back to normal life.
Okay, so which are the mostly indication patient you are treating? Mostly mouth cancer?
The cancer can come in all regions of the head and neck.
Oh.
And the commonest is the mouth cancer, in India. That's because of when you compare to the Western world, we get the head and neck cancer forms about 8 to 9% of all cancers. But in India, the head and neck cancer forms nearly about 30% of all cancers in the body. So you can see the amount of problem we are facing, and this is easily preventable disease because people have to stop using this, misuse the pan masalas, smoking, and abuse alcohol. And if, God forbid, the disease comes, we have to detect at the early stage rather than wait to be advanced. And earlier we find them, the surgery will be smaller, and the patient gets back to the cure rate is high, and also the patient gets back to normal life without any problems. And basically, we aim at not only curing the patient, also we want them to get back into normal life.
Okay, thank you doctor, and welcome in Yangon. And if anybody would like to meet Dr. Ayappa, you can contact to Grand Hanta Hospital directly, or you can contact for our consultancy. And I hope Dr. Ayappa coming in Myanmar will add the value for the Myanmar patient, and it will help them to getting cure in Myanmar only. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please, if you like, please share it and spread this good news with your friends and family.